see over there. This bird. Oh, don't fall. Don't fall over there. What are you doing? Oh. Go. Go. Okay. Don't get stuck again.
That you have to get up here to get around the curve, so you're going to lose a little bit of the top.
Why do we need to go all the way to the top?
Because there's a bevel here. If you bring it down, I mean, you could put it there, but there's a bevel here and there's a gap here. So you can fit, in order to put it there, really what you'd want to do is make these margins smaller. You'd want to cut a 1/4 inch off of the top and bottom, then it'll sit better.
I don't know.
Otherwise, you're looking at putting it somewhere else. May not even need the vacuum today. It's just gonna blow everything around.
Where are my numbers?
You put it away?
Yeah, I put it away already.
What do you mean? You didn't write down the numbers?
No.
No. Alright, vacuum's ready. New filter. That means I gotta buy another filter. I was hoping to leave the old one in there, but it was so incredibly dirty just from doing the engine bay.
Okay, I need scissors, I guess, to cut this. Oh, it fits. So
What do you mean it fits?
This ones are 4 inches, we said. How do I know which one is O, which one is 0?
You'd probably only have one.
One.
Technically, if I was going to make the 0, I'd make it with the diagonal, but you probably don't have two different O and 0.
And I need a dot. Do we have a dot?
Well, this one's next to the 9, so this must be the O.
Do they make a dot?
I don't think you're supposed to have a dot.
Do they make a dot? No, yes.
Or is it NO period?
NO.
I don't think you have a dot.
Yeah.
You gotta like just trace one of these. Trace a circle. There's an ampersand.
Okay.
Oh, there's a.
You can do your own
There's a.
thing.
There's a circle.
Oh yeah, there you go. There's a dot.
There's a circle, a dash.
I thought I remember there was
There's
a dot.
a circle, a dash, and a. You sure there's supposed to be a dot?
Yes.
I didn't think they were supposed.
Yes. It's
Yeah?
it's in the CFR.
Okay. Look at that. Our numbers are serving good purpose.
We use them for a dinghy, and now we're using them for the postcard documentation.
Well, you get a post like the placards that we saw. The plastic ones were like $100, right? For the pre-made placard,
Oh.
it was like $100.
So I think we're just about fit.
It'll fit.
With
with those.
24 inches.
I didn't
Was
check it with those widths.
Yeah.
I had a feeling it would be enough.
Yay. Okay. So now it's the tracing time. So I'm just gonna trace the numbers, and then I'm gonna do the carving with the Dremel. setting up my workbench.
Operate.
So today I'm gonna work on the numbers. I'm gonna carve the numbers on the plate. Yesterday I did some practicing, and so I did this one number, carved out the number, and today I'm gonna do the whole plate. So let's do this. No, I'm just testing and trying. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that raises me up actually a lot.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, yeah, will do.
Just enough to take the nap.
Mm-hmm.
And you don't have to scratch. You see how I'm holding it at an angle?
Mm-hmm.
Just use the very edge of the paper. That's all you need. To do some of these, you might scratch it a little bit. But we're going to come in here and we're going to resand the whole thing. Don't worry about making scratches. Like, especially with the 220. It'll be a little rough, so what? It's handmade.
Yes.
It's not going to be machined.
Handmade.
Perfect.
Exactly.